Daniel Francis, Captain Amrinder Singh meeting G23 leaders. Now, is this more trouble for those who've taken the decision to jettison Captain Amrinder Singh and bring in Navjot Singh Sidhu? And would this mean that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra would perhaps have to stand up to the decision that they took?
Gaurav, now that Navjot Singh Sidhu drama and this other that joke that Congress created is all over. Meeting Amit Shah, Captain meeting Amit Shah is no joke. It must have been a very serious political meeting. Something very big political is going to happen. He's gone back to the G23 to meet these people, and I'm telling you that perhaps a section of G23 may agree for a political action from the center to save the state from this turmoil, and perhaps a president's rule.
Is that what you think is likely to happen in the times ahead? Harmeet, closer to elections, is this moving in that direction? President's rule in Punjab, because as of now the Congress will say we are fully in control, and that's exactly what Charanjit Singh Channi, the Chief Minister, said earlier today, that a decision has been taken. I am the Chief Minister, I have reached out to him and I've said we'll sort it out when we talk to each other. Harmeet.
Yeah, that all depends on how many MLAs go there with Captain Amrinder Singh if he chooses to go that way. That is not really my concern at the moment. The real concern here is the Sidhu thing. And Navjot Singh Sidhu, being Navjot Singh Sidhu, is highly unpredictable, and he's still in a reality show mode, Gaurav, and that's more worrying in the sense that he comes out with shock statements, and tries to upset the apple cart.
Okay.
That is very worrying for a state like Punjab, which is heading into elections.
Okay, I quickly want to cut across to Anand Patel before I bring in Sanju Verma of the BJP. I want to bring in Anand Patel quickly. Anand, there is some action behind you. What's happening?
Yes, Gaurav, we are at the residence of Kapil Sibal, who addressed the presser on behalf of G23 and took pot shots at the Congress party leadership and Gandhi family. And now we have Congress workers protesting outside his residence. These are unprecedented visuals. Congress party workers protesting against the Congress MP. This is unprecedented, Gaurav. You can see, get well soon, Kapil Sibal is the message. Let me just try and get one of the persons here. क्या मैसेज है आपका? क्या
कपिल सिब्बल जो है ये गद्दार है कांग्रेस का, इसको छोड़ना चाहिए यहाँ से।
हाँ,
इस्तीफा देना चाहिए कांग्रेस से।
अच्छा, क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप?
पार्टी छोड़ो।
कौन गद्दार है?
कपिल सिब्बल।
अच्छा,
मानसिक संतुलन खो चुके हैं कपिल सिब्बल जी।
अच्छा,
हम ये दुआ कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी वो अपना मानसिक संतुलन किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर को दिखाए और अपना मानसिक संतुलन अपने सही करके तब जाके कहीं बयानबाजी करें। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने उनके लिए बहुत कुछ दिया है, परंतु वो अपने आप को वो सब कुछ भूलकर वो गद्दारी पर उतर आए हैं। वो अपने अपशब्द बोलते हैं, उनको ये मालूम नहीं है वो क्या शब्द बोल रहे हैं।
नहीं, क्या गद्दारी है? वो कह रहे हैं कि पार्टी में चुनाव होना चाहिए, जो अध्यक्ष है वो चुना हुआ होना चाहिए। इसमें गद्दारी क्या है?
कारवा अध्यक्ष नहीं होता।
अच्छा,
मैं आपसे बोलूं, कारवा अध्यक्ष नहीं होता। कारवा अध्यक्ष बनाया हुआ है, वो टाइम आने पर परमानेंट अध्यक्ष बनेगा। कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए इतनी बड़ी पार्टी है, आजादी से टाइम पहले बहुत बड़ी पार्टी, बहुत बड़ा परिवार है, उसके लिए इतनी बड़ी पार्टी के लिए अध्यक्ष चुनाव होगा क्यों नहीं होगा? फिलहाल अध्यक्ष बनाया हुआ है, वो कारवा के है, लेकिन वो अध्यक्ष तो है।
ठीक है,
अपना सब कुछ छोड़कर।
You can hear, Gaurav, you can hear unprecedented visuals here. Protest against Kapil Sibal outside his residence. These are Congress party workers from the Delhi unit, shouting slogans against Kapil Sibal. The manner in which he addressed the press conference earlier in the day, asking for internal democracy, demanding that there should be elections. There is no permanent president in the Congress party and that there should be an elected CWC. So you can see how these workers from the Congress party are staging protests outside his residence, saying, get well soon, Kapil Sibal, down with Kapil Sibal. Big split as far as the Congress party is concerned, Gaurav. Here we have seen how the G23 leaders are now under attack from the Congress party workers itself.
Very interesting developments taking place.
Anti-Congress. These are traitors of the Congress party, Gaurav. Very important and significant day as far as Congress party politics is concerned.
Oh, absolutely. And in this conversation, I want to quickly bring in Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Sanju Verma, this meeting with the Union Home Minister, several leaders or analysts, even those in the Congress, seem to indicate that Captain Amrinder Singh may just be joining the BJP. Is that what's happening, ma'am?
Gaurav, first and foremost, I think great coverage of the entire saga, whereby Congress is imploding from within by you. I've been listening into you for the last 45 odd minutes. I think at this point, I think it would be unfair for me to say anything about whether Captain Amrinder Singh is joining the BJP or not joining the BJP, or whether this was just a courtesy meeting of about 45 minutes odd with the Union Home Minister. Because you are aware that in BJP there is a set procedure, no matter what and no matter who the possible entrant is, the party will take a call based on various parameters. Having said that, I think, Gaurav, as you have been pointing out and your reporters, the point here is not about whether Captain Amrinder Singh will join the BJP. The point here is that the Congress is imploding from within, and Punjab is a microcosm of what the Congress faces in every state that it is in power or where it is one of the alliance partners. I have said this in the past and I will repeat this, that in the case of Navjot Singh Sidhu, the fact that Captain Amrinder Singh, when he was ousted, he said three things about Navjot Singh Sidhu. He is unstable, he is incompetent, and he is a threat to national security. Now, as if on cue, Navjot Singh Sidhu has actually lived up to the certificate given by Amrinder Singh and has more than outperformed Amrinder Singh's expectations by behaving in a completely unpredictable manner.
Let me bring in Daniel Francis to respond to this. Daniel Francis. Okay, give me a moment. Manish Tiwari speaking to Rajdeep Sardesai. Let's quickly cut across and listen in.
I can't hear you, Rajdeep.
Give me a moment. Give me a moment. We'll try and reestablish that link in just a moment. Manish Tiwari there. Again, someone who's talked about a border state, someone who's talking about national security at this stage. And Manish Tiwari earlier this evening said political instability in a border state, whether it's Punjab or in J&K, given what's happening in Afghanistan, can have consequences here. But Daniel Francis, Sanju Verma, of course, is Bharatiya Janata Party, but the points that she's making today is that also your analysis, an unstable Navjot Singh Sidhu, according to Captain Amrinder Singh, resulting in this implosion within the Congress.
It's an absolutely very convincing and cogent case that the captain has built against Navjot Singh Sidhu. Even the people of India who are watching this drama for the last few days, with the resignation of Sidhu and what captain is claiming, will go with captain, and they will buy his argument that Navjot Singh Sidhu is a politically unstable man who is leading the ruling party in Punjab, and the fact that the clashes between these inter-party clashes have led to political instability, and the consequences of this will be dire on the Congress in the days to come.
What does this say, Daniel Francis? Your quick analysis before I bring in Harmeet on the decision taken by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, because the indication was that they went out of their way to ensure that Navjot Singh Sidhu was in part, as Captain Amrinder Singh indicated, perhaps even against the wishes of their mother.
See, now if we want to discuss why and how the Gandhi siblings take these decisions, and I think they take these decisions only to put the plane on not a autopilot mode but an air crash mode. So to decipher or to try to decode why this decision was taken, only they can tell you. Okay. Only they can tell us. But it was like setting the Congress party in Punjab on a time bomb, putting that time bomb on and waiting for it to explode.
Well,
The
I
bomb
want to
has
leave you
exploded.
with these images playing outside Kapil Sibal's residence. To all my guests, many thanks for joining me. But let's just take a look at these images of protests outside Kapil Sibal's house. A quick break. Rahul Kanwal comes up next. Stay with us.
झगड़ा नहीं, कपिल सिब्बल जी बीमार हो गए हैं, उनकी सद्बुद्धि किसी ने हर ली है, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सब कुछ सम्मान दिया।